Kayla. This is my first time making a video. We're going to be doing fluffy slime. The things that you will need is a bowl, glue, then an activator, which I'm going to be using borax. You can use borax, Dayflow, and Gain, and Tide. And I'm going to be using borax. So you'll also need a mixing tool. You can use a spatula or whatever you find. And then since you're making slime, we're going to be needing shaving cream. And then you'll need some hand foam. I don't know. Just some foam hand wash. And then you'll need 1.5 cup for your glue, then 1/3 of a cup for your activator. Okay, so let's get started. So first we're going to add our glue into this 1/2 cup. I'm going to be doing 4 cups of this, 1/2 cup. So actually I'm going to be using 2 cups. Actually, I'm so sorry. I messed up. First we're going to start with the borax. We're not going to put it in. We're just going to start by putting it in the hot water. It has to be hot. It doesn't matter what you put it in. If you're going to make like a big batch of it, maybe I would suggest the Dayflow. Okay, so let's get started with this. So I'm just putting about this much. It's just a little spoonful. And then you just mix it until it dissolves. Takes a while sometimes. When it's completely dissolved, you set it to the side and we'll be using that later. So yeah, mine is dissolved. I'll set it to the side. Now we're going to be getting our glue. So I'm going to be doing 4 cups. And then one, 2, 3. You can follow me which would be best, so just keep putting it in here. 1 more. 4. Okay. Put that to the side. Put the lid on. Okay. Now, what you're going to also be doing is putting your shaving foam. And you're just going to be, I'm so sorry. Wait, I don't know why I said that. You're just going to fill this to the top twice. So you're going to do 2 cups of this. So do that. banana unit. One. Oh my gosh, I'm almost out of this. Okay, that's 2. You can add color now or at the end. I'm going to do it at the end because I don't really like cleaning my pool, like going back and forth, So what I'm going to be doing is just we're going to put our foaming hand soap in. We're going to do 3 pumps. 1. Okay. Now just stir that all up. And you can also use some lotion. You can do 5 or 3 pumps, doesn't matter. It's optional. And you don't actually have to do this. It's optional too. Just to make it more fluffy. So, stir that all up. And now we are going in with wood coloring. You can use paint too. So I'm going to be doing a light blue color, okay? Doesn't matter what color you do. I'm just going to do 1, 2 drops. That's it. I like it really light. I'm going to stir that all up. Okay, now I'm going to be adding your activator, which is the borax. That's enough. You want to add it really slow or it will just become rubbery and it wouldn't really be good. I always like have my hand in it to knead it, just 1. You can use 2, it doesn't matter what you use. I know I'm really messy with this. I'll just pour the rest of that because I spilled some. So. Okay. And then after that, once you have your slime together, you can just play with it, and then you'll put it in an airtight container. So I still need some more activator, but I don't have any in there. Some more activator in there. That's enough. It has to be hot because actually I don't really know I don't really know what has to be hot. I just looked it up on the internet and it said it has to be hot and didn't even say why. So if you want to look that up, go ahead. I've been asking everyone, why do they have to always have to have it hot? So I don't really know why, but I always actually have this shirt on when I'm making slime because I get really messy and sometimes I get it all over. And plus, I just really like having the shirt on. It's not my pajama shirt. Just, yeah, play with it, and then I had all that on the counter. So, put your bowl to the side, just play with it, and then that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope you like this video.